In a metal container similar in shape to a bell, about 11 meters high and 5 meters in diameter, mercury rotates. Mercury rotates with the help of two cylinders that rotate in the opposite direction to each other. Layers of highly dynamic plasma and mercury appear inside. Something similar to ball lightning appears inside the bell. Harmonics of electromagnetic and acoustic waves are also generated inside the bell. Inside the bell, mercury molecules actively exchange places. Electrons actively and massively move from atoms to another atom. The system of so-called spin electrons and molecules is reoriented in the opposite direction to the gravitational field. Quantum and molecular kinetic energy appears, directed upward, which pulls the bell up. In addition, harmonics of electromagnetic and acoustic waves appear in the depths of the bell. All this micro-quantum dynamics, adding up and harmonizing with electromagnetic harmonics, creates a force of direction against the gravitational field. In simple terms, something similar to electron molecular self-giving is formed, compensating for the force of gravity. In the Nazi secret anti-gravity project called the Bell, most likely, the above-described mass movement of molecules took place, as well as a mass and rapid exchange of mercury electrons. The same thing happens, but partially, during the flight of beetles. The air in the pores of the elytra is actively ionized, and then back and quickly filled with electrons. Vibrations of the wings create air circulation and also create acoustic waves. These acoustic waves appearing from wing flaps accelerate the exchange of electrons, and also give kinetic energy to the molecules pulling the elytra upward. All this microdynamics add up and create a directional force against the gravity field. Beetles actively use acoustic waves in flight to reduce the weight of their body. For example, a bumblebee does not just vibrate so strongly. Mass exchange of electrons between molecules, then mass exchange of places of molecules, creates inertial synchronization between micro and macro particles. The greater the synchronization between electrons, atoms, molecules, macro structures, kinetic energy and electromagnetic energy, the greater the counteraction to the gravitational field. When beetles flap their wings, the air in the porous structure of the elytra is quickly ionized and then back into plasma. Thus, a large exchange of molecules and electrons occurs, occurring in time with the macro dynamics, that is, in time with the flapping of the wings upward. In simple terms, a subtle systemic self-giving occurs, compensating for the force of gravity. It turns out that it is necessary to create a device in which a cylinder of some sensitive material has micropores, like the elytra of beetles, so that plasma circulates through them. In this case, all of this must be irradiated with acoustic and electromagnetic waves of a certain frequency.